Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to SGS Tech channel. So in this video we are going to do the official unboxing of the Redmi K20 Pro's carbon fiber edition. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level.
So this is the box the Redmi K20 Pro comes inside. I think you are familiar with this kind of box, as you can see the K20 Pro written there, and at the back side you get to see this little type dragon there with purple color box. Plus at the bottom, as you can see, there are some specifications written here, as we have this 8GB/256GB variant here. So let me first open it up, and as you can see, there is at the top there you get to see manual leaflet and guides covered up in this purple color lid, which looks really great. And as you can see, there is the dragon also there. So as you can see, there is a SIM tray ejection tool, plus you get to see a black color cover case. As you can see, this is the back case provided inside the box, which is a good quality case, and that's it we get inside the box. So this is the device itself. Let me take it off, and as you can see, so this is the Redmi K20 Pro in this carbon fiber color out there. It kind of looks like a black color, but Xiaomi likes to call it carbon fibers. So at the downside you get to see a 27 watt fast charger. Yes guys, the fast charger is included inside the box, and as you can see, it comes with a 27 watt rating out there. It is a quick charger 4, Qualcomm quick charge 4 support is there inside this smartphone. Plus you get to see a USB type C cable included inside the box, as I had already told you that this phone supports 27 watt fast charging. So this is the USB type C cable, and it comes with some great quality cable out there. As you can see, this is a very long cable, and that's all we get inside the box. As you can see, this USB-C cable, a fast charger included inside the box, and no headset. So yeah, sadly there is no earphones, and also the back case and a SIM ejection tool. So this is the device itself, as I told you earlier. As you can see, there is key highlight specifications written at the top on this sticker out there. So let me just peel this sticker. As you can see, so yeah, we get the sticker out here, and this is it. We now have a full display here. So as you can see, this is a very reflective glass out there, and at the back side also, this is the carbon fiber color. It doesn't look like a glass, as they had marketed it as carbon fiber color. It has some texture out there. So let me take these stickers off also, so then you can have a good idea about this color. So this color just looks fantastic. There are other colors too, that like the red flame, the flame red color, and this ice color also, but this carbon fiber color just looks amazing. It reminds me of the OnePlus 6 Avengers Edition carbon fiber, which was the same from the back side. So as you can see, there is the triple rear camera setup, and the Redmi logo at the downside, Redmi written in a vertical way, where it is also written as designed by Xiaomi. So at the right side you also get that red colored power key button, plus this triple camera has also a unique ring out there for the primary camera, which is a 48 megapixel Sony IMX5 sensor. Then we have a 13 megapixel wide angle lens and 8 megapixel telephoto lens. And as Xiaomi has it is going to be a flagship smartphone by Xiaomi, this phone comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, a pop-up selfie camera, and also this phone is made up of metal frame, which is not a plastic frame like the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So that's it. As you can see, there is also a 3.5mm headphone jack out there, which is really great. So let me just boot it up. As you can see, the MIUI 10 logo comes out there. So there it is. The phone runs on top of Android 9.5 on MIUI 10, and as I said, this phone is the first by Redmi to get a full view display, but with a pop-up selfie camera. I know Mi Mix 3 is the first one, but still this has the pop-up selfie camera out there, which is a 20 megapixel shooter. And this is the main information right out there out of the box. As you can see, there are many YouTubers would have told you this, that you should disable these settings for disabling the ads. So this is here a 6.39 inches of Full HD plus resolution display, which comes as a Super AMOLED display here, cause it has an in-display fingerprint scanner. The phone runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, coupled up with 6GB RAM/64GB internal, and goes up to 8GB/256 storage. Plus there is UFS 2.1 storage out there, so you won't get that fastest out there. And also this display is just 60Hz, not 90Hz like the OnePlus 7 Pro. So as you can see, the bottom chin is really small. It's just 3.8mm in height, so that's really great. So Here it is. As you can see, these are the specs written out there, the Snapdragon 855 and all that stuff in the about section. As you already said, the phone also has an in-display fingerprint scanner, and as you can see, and there is that in-display fingerprint scanner which works really fast without any issues. And this one is an optical fingerprint scanner. As you can see, compared to the OnePlus 60, it just works faster than the OnePlus 60 actually. So this is really great that they have given a tough competition to the OnePlus. And that's all we have about this Redmi K20 Pro. So that's it. Plus also you get to see, as I said earlier, a 4000 mAh battery and a USB Type-C port, but you have a 27 watt fast charging support, which gets a quick charger included inside the box, so that gets the job done. So that's it. In this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to check out my latest video before anyone else. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching this video. And talking about the pricing, the phone starts at around 25,000 Indian rupees for the 6GB/64GB model and goes up to 30,000 for the 8GB/128. So that's all about the Redmi K20 Pro's unboxing. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it to check out my latest tech unboxing videos before anyone else. Till then, this is Shishir signing off. Have a great day.